Hi and welcome to 3-Minute Health. Eating a healthy breakfast is one of the most important things you can do to set yourself up for success during the day. It gives you energy, helps you stay focused, and can even help prevent overeating later. There are many healthy breakfast foods that you can choose from to start your day off right. We have chosen 12 healthy breakfast foods that will give you the energy and nutrition needed to tackle your day. As you watch this video, look out for a number in the top right-hand corner which will correspond with research sources. To access them, click on the links provided in the description below. Number 1. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great option for breakfast as it is packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics. It can help to keep you feeling fuller for longer and provide energy throughout the day. Greek yogurt also has many other health benefits, including promoting gut health, helping to balance blood sugar levels and aiding digestion. It's a delicious way to start the day and can be enjoyed in many different ways, such as with fresh fruit or nuts, in smoothies or overnight oats. Number 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a nutrient-packed superfood that can be used to create nutritious and delicious breakfast dishes. They are a great source of essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, protein, fiber, calcium, and iron. Chia seeds are also high in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. Chia seeds can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or cereal for a healthy breakfast option. They can also be used as an egg replacement in baking recipes or added to pancakes and other breakfast dishes for extra nutrition. Number 3. Whole wheat toast. Whole wheat toast is a delicious and nutritious breakfast option that is both versatile and easy to make. It's a great way to start your day with the right kind of fuel for your body. Whole wheat toast is packed with fiber, protein, vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients that can help you stay energized throughout the day. Plus, it's quick and easy to make, so you don't have to spend too much time in the kitchen. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea is a refreshing, energizing beverage. Not only does it provide many health benefits, but it can also help you feel more alert and focused throughout the day. In addition, green tea is low in calories and contains antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. For these reasons, many people are now choosing to incorporate green tea into their morning routine as part of a balanced breakfast. Number 5. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse and an extremely versatile food. They are packed with high-quality protein, essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that are important for healthy growth and development. Eggs can be cooked in a variety of ways, allowing you to get creative and make your breakfast enjoyable. Eating eggs for breakfast can also help keep you feeling full for longer, which can help prevent overeating later in the day. Number 6. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a healthy and nutritious breakfast option that has many benefits for both physical and mental health. It is rich in dietary fiber, which helps to reduce cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar levels, and promote digestion. It also contains essential vitamins and minerals that can help boost energy levels and improve overall health. Oatmeal also contains antioxidants which can help protect against free radical damage. Additionally, oatmeal has been found to have a positive impact on mental health by reducing stress levels and improving mood. All of these factors make oatmeal an ideal breakfast choice for anyone looking to improve their overall health. Number 7. Berries. Berries are a great source of nutrition and have many health benefits. They are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber which help to boost your immune system and protect against disease. Berries are also low in calories, making them an ideal part of any breakfast for people looking to lose weight. Additionally, they contain polyphenols which can reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Eating berries regularly can help promote healthy skin, improve digestion, and even reduce the risk of cancer. Number 8. Nuts. Nuts are not only delicious and nutritious, but they also provide a variety of health benefits. Nuts are packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that can help improve your overall health. Eating a handful of nuts for breakfast can help boost your energy levels, promote weight loss, reduce inflammation, and even protect against certain diseases. Additionally, adding nuts to your breakfast can make it more filling and satisfying so you won't be hungry again until lunchtime. The nutritional information supplied is for hazelnuts. Number 9. Coffee. Coffee is a popular beverage that many people enjoy drinking in the morning. It has been found to contain numerous health benefits, making it an ideal choice for breakfast. Some of the health benefits associated with coffee include increased energy levels, improved concentration and alertness, reduced risk of certain diseases, and improved digestion. Additionally, coffee can help improve mood and reduce stress levels. Number 10. Fruit. Eating fruit for breakfast is a great way to start the day. Fruits are naturally high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help keep your body healthy. They are also low in calories, fat, and sugar, which make them an ideal choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Eating fruits for breakfast can provide a range of health benefits such as improved digestion, increased energy levels, better skin health, and improved mental clarity. Additionally, eating fruit for breakfast can help you stay fuller longer so you won't be tempted to snack throughout the day. Eating a variety of fruits is key to getting all the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs while staying healthy and energized. The nutritional information supplied is for 1 large orange. Number 11. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a great addition to any breakfast. It is high in protein, low in fat and calories, and contains essential vitamins and minerals. Not only that, but it also has numerous health benefits that can help you stay healthy and fit. Eating cottage cheese for breakfast can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce cholesterol levels, regulate blood sugar levels, and provide your body with important nutrients like calcium and phosphorus. Additionally, cottage cheese provides your body with probiotics that are beneficial for gut health. And last but not least, number 12, protein shake. Protein shakes are becoming increasingly popular for breakfast as they offer a range of health benefits. Protein shakes are a convenient and nutritious way to start your day, providing you with the essential nutrients needed to stay healthy. Protein shakes can help you reach your health and fitness goals, such as weight loss, muscle gain, and increased energy levels. They also help regulate digestion and provide essential vitamins and minerals for overall good health. Protein shakes can be used in conjunction with other healthy breakfast options to create a balanced meal that will help you stay energized throughout the day. When it comes to breakfast, there are several food options available. However, the most nutritious choices are those that are high in fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our latest content.